welcome back everybody, girls and boys. So this is an unboxing video. This item I got it for free. Pro Gear X, and it's a tri-stand or tripod stand. There you go. Flexible tripod kit. Manufacturer Photo Pro. Made in China. Address okay. Pro Gear X at afterservice.vip. Visit Pro Gear X. Okay, let's just open this bad boy up, my peeps. See what I got, so I could use it. You know what I mean? All right, let me set this down. Ooh, nice. All right, let's see what we got. I think this is for a cell phone. What is this for? Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh damn. Yeah, for a cell phone. Cool. It has a little quick release button right here. This little red one. You just press it. Nice. Let's see. A little manual. Little manual, just that's all it is. Let's see. And like like a handle. What is this? I got like a remote control. Oh, the camera, remote control camera. We'll see what it. Go read the instructions. All right. So let's first check out the actual stand itself. Pro Gear K2, Pro Gear X K2, Pro Gear RM-88. Ooh, cool, double infinity. I like that. Ah, it has. And it swivels. Cool. So it has a little valve here, release valve, and it swivels like it. Yeah, and also it has the female, and then it has a male adapter. Cool. And this is for the cell phone, I will say. Oh, and then you could put it in through the top, so it'll be like this, or so it could be flat like this. Cool. I don't know what this is. We gotta look at the manual. It's like a remote control. This is like camera sign, so it might be wireless. All right, let's look at the manual. Pro Gear flexible tripod. Okay, there's the barcode. I'm going to register and do all this stuff for sure. Get the warranty if there's any warranty. You know, all that good stuff. Okay, so that's a phone holder. This one right here. Model SJ-89. Well, yeah, this is the Bluetooth. State indicator light, shutter button, on and off button, wrist strap hole. Okay, yeah, so that's Bluetooth. The ball head, which is this is the ball head. It's a model K2. Yeah, all right, cool. And it gives you all the specifications, the model, the ship model, size, weight, features, power supply, Bluetooth protocol, working voltage, working electricity, all that good stuff, all the specs. Yeah, all the specifications. So there you go, my peeps. I got a tripod for free. Let me open it up. Oh, and these certain things are kind of like, oh, you could warp them too, look. Oh, nice. Ooh, this is so cool. I like that. And you could decrease it, like, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, this is so cool. These, my peeps, you go bend them and warp them and shape them, whatever degree you want. Like, for real, this is so cool. All right, then, my peeps. So I hope this little quick video makes justice. My Pro Gear X tripod that I'm gonna use for this camera. All right, my peeps. All right. Let me set it up real quick and let me get a mirror and then so you guys can see the reflection. And then I'll move on to the next unboxing. All right, my peeps, hold on. So I'll be back real quick. Hold on. Welcome back, my peeps. I just remember I don't have a mirror with me, so I'm just gonna set it up to the tripod, and that's the next video, right? What I can do, I can take a picture with my phone and then show you guys that that it's attached to my camera. That's what I can do. All right, let me do that real quick then. All right. All right, my peeps, so here are the pictures. Let me go to the shade. My bad. And you guys can see that the camera is attached, baby. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, baby boy. I got a stand, and I'm holding it right now. It feels good. Yeah, so now I'm not gonna hold or block like the little microphones on top, because I've done it accidentally. And then I always have to be careful how I hold it. So I'm holding it like this at all times, but from the back. But now look, oh, hands-free. Yeah, I could just hold it and move it, and this is awesome. I don't know if you guys can see it on the reflection on the of the cell phone. If you guys can see that that is, look, you guys see that it's attached to it. The reflection through my cell phone, the screen. All right. So there you go, my peeps. I don't play games. Check it out. There's the picture. There you go. You see? It's attached. 3 pictures. That's what I did. Oh, the utility trailer. Took a picture of it. Alright, my peeps. So there you go. That's it for this video. Alright. Check you out later then, my peeps. Like, comment, share, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and follow me through the journey. It's going to be exciting. Everything. Skateboarding, art, anime, DIY, you name it, man. Juicing, off-grid, fitness, all that good stuff. All right, laters, everyone. Peace, love.